Good morning, children. Hope you are okay. We'll continue with our work as usual. Now, children, previously we have learnt about how animals has faced the dangers, right? By hunting, poaching, killing the animals, eating them, like that way. How they have been now disappearing also. So today we will learn about block 14, our animals wealth. Yes, it is the animal wealth. S for protecting animals. Now here, how we have to protect those animals, children? Yes, some sources we must have to protect those animals, right? So what? Let us see. The role of animal sanctuaries in protecting animals. To protect animals, we keep some sanctuaries. Sanctuaries means some big place where animals can roam freely. It is like a jungle only. They will not cut down. Particularly, they keep with the boundaries. They will keep, and with that, they will have some special laws are there, protections are there. Let us see now. We will go in details. Trees. It will be trees are there. Streams, forest. Large space, big space. Just now I told you, no? Animals roam freely. They can roam freely. So big area. They'll keep big area for them. How they will be in forest, no? Like that way. So that is known as sanctuary, children. Animals roam freely, get food and care. Even they'll take care for animals and they give some food also for them. So this what we people only are protecting them, right? So how? I'll read one story. I'll tell you one story and then I'll read from the reader. Okay, first I'll tell you one story with that, what it is. Listen. A home for animal. Okay. Now Radha and Rishi, two children, went to the zoo and saw animals in cages. They went to zoo and they saw the animals in cages, right? They did not like children throwing stones at the cages. Animal. That is very bad, no, children? If you also go to zoo, you will throw the stones. No. You know, you are educated. You are a school children, right? You will not do. But they saw that they were throwing and they were hurting those animals. They saw an animal sanctuary on TV. On TV they saw animal. Even you also can see the animal sanctuaries there. This is not animal sanctuary. In animal sanctuary, what you will see here, children? Trees, stream, forest, large space, animals roam, okay, get food and care. This is what you see in animals. Unlike the zoo, animals here were kept in large open areas. There also in zoo, like that only, they have kept it in large open areas. But they are in the cages, children, which had forests and streams. Unlike the zoo, there were no people watching these animals in the sanctuary. But in zoos, you will see that children or people will go and see those animals. But in sanctuaries, you can't go. The animals were moving freely. They just move freely. Okay. Animals are better protected. This is what one story over. Now I'll say a few more points. Animals are better protected in an animal sanctuary. Yes, in that they are better protected. They can live in open space, get proper care and food. People cannot come and People cannot come and watch animals like they do at the zoo. In an animal sanctuary, animals are given the same importance as humans. In that same importance, how they take care to the human being, like that they should take care to the animals. They can live like they would in a jungle. They live as if they kept it so nicely that they don't feel like something is missing from the forest. It will be like a forest only. And as well as they used to take protection for them. They used to look after nicely. They take care. Animal sanctuaries are supposed to be well protected by guards. Yes, children, they keep guards also, so that some other people will not come and kill them, so that nobody can hunt or kill them or clear the forest. That particular forest they should not cut. Countries also have large land. Some countries they have got large land also, and forest area. Some forests are big forests. They can keep like animal sanctuary to protect animals. These are called national park. They are also known as national park. They are bigger. Okay. In India, there are many animal sanctuaries and national parks to protect animals. Sometimes they have big areas. Okay. So that is why they are known as national parks. Okay. An animal sanctuary, from where some big forest also, or keep some space for animals to live freely, roam freely. Now, if the guards don't do their duty properly, people can enter an animal sanctuary and still hunt animals for their body parts. If they are not there, if bodyguards are not there, then what happens? Other people will come, these hunting people, and they will hunt and take the body parts. In Assam, many rhinos have been killed by hunters in an animal sanctuary. That means if nobody is there, then many rhinos has been killed. This is what. Okay. Now I'll read from the reader. Children, take out your reader. It was I will read the story, children. A home for animals. It was the first time Radha and Rishi visited the zoo. They were very excited because they had read that zoos kept a lot of wild animals like lions, tigers, zebras, giraffes, bears, elephants and monkeys. They bought their tickets and entered the zoo inside. Means they went to zoo. I think so you also must have seen the zoo. No? Yeah, Nehru Zoological Park. The zoo. They saw most of the animals in big cages. Some children were behaving badly and throwing sticks and stones inside those cages. These animals were trying to come out of the cage but could not. The cages were locked. I already explained you the story, right? One day, Radha and Rishi were watching television. This is what one story, and another related to this only. They saw many animals roaming around a place which had thick trees, open space and streams. Okay, streams. That is in block 14, children. The monkeys were jumping from one place to another freely. All they could see were animals. There were no humans anywhere. Only animals were there. The girl's mother told them that this was an animal sanctuary. Animal sanctuaries are places where animals are kept safely and protected when forests are cleared. In sanctuaries, animals roam around freely and do not live in cages. Guards protect these animals. Animals get food and care as well. Radha and Rishi wanted to know how an animal sanctuary is different from a zoo and wondered where animals would really wanted to live. Right. Okay. Now, role of animal sanctuary. We need to save animals from these dangers. We can keep them in animal sanctuaries or national park. An animal sanctuary is a place where animals are brought and protected. They will bring and protect. They are kept in large open areas that includes forests and streams. Like sanctuaries, there are also large areas of land and forests to protect animals. These are called national parks. Some animal sanctuaries and national parks of India are the children, this you should remember and you should know. Kaziranga National Park, Sundarban, Jim Corbett National Park, Bandhavgarh, Kanha and Panna National Park, Gir National Park and the Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. They are wildlife sanctuaries. These two are. There are about 100 national parks. See how many? 100 national parks and over 400 wildlife sanctuaries presently in India. That is, in India, so many are there. Right? See this. Snow leopard. They are very less now. They are endangered animal now. Can't see. Can you think of other ways to protect animals in our country? Yeah, by making laws we can protect, no? Okay. Open your workbook, page number 32. S4, protecting animals. Underline the animals that are likely to be kept in animal sanctuary. Please listen. This is in animal sanctuary. Which animals can stay? Dog can stay? No. Lion, tiger. Underline lion, underline tiger, underline elephant. These animals, that is wild animals, they are kept in animal sanctuary. Cow, cats, they are domestic children. Leopards, leopard, underline leopard, rhino, underline, crocodile, underline. They are kept in where? Animal sanctuary. Hen, no. Deer also, underline deer. They also kept it in sanctuary. Understood, children? Underline he is saying. Now, second question. How do you think an animal sanctuary looks? Draw a picture of an animal sanctuary in the box. Show the features that tells us that the animals are well protected. Children, this is a child's book. Whatever she likes, she has drawn. But you have to draw nicely, children, with forest, animal sanctuary, and please draw nice animals, okay? Wild animals, children, like lion, tiger, elephant, Okay, leopard. You can draw 1, 2 animals there. Okay, understand? And draw the trees also, streams. See, downstream she has drawn streams also, right? You can with your own idea, but it should be sanctuary, children. Sanctuary, in sanctuary, more trees and everything I showed you, and I told you also what is sanctuary, right? Draw nicely. Third question. Write one danger that animals face even if they are kept in a protected place. Sometimes even in protected place also, sometimes they are facing danger. Animals cannot be protected during floods or earthquakes. Yes, that is a natural phenomenon. We can't do anything. Even if they are in an animal's sanctuary. If God forbid, there it floods or earthquake comes, we can't help them. Okay? Now children, one time please see nicely and write. I hope you understand. 1 minute. Children, don't keep pending, children. There and there, you complete your work, otherwise it will be lot. Okay. Now children, this block 14 is over, children. Now, okay. S1, S2, S3, S4 over. Okay. Sure. Now, I'll give you classwork.